The Rice of Survival. Chapter 1. The Heat of India. The year is 1250. Close your eyes. Imagine the heat. I am not talking about a warm summer day. I am talking about heat that feels heavy. We are in India. It is the middle of May. The sun is burning hot. The temperature is 46 degrees Celsius. There are no air conditioners. There are no electric fans. There is no ice water. There is only the hot wind and the bright sun. Today, when it gets this hot, we hide. We go inside cool offices. We drink cold drinks from plastic bottles. We buy medicines and powders to keep our energy up. We treat our bodies like machines that need fuel from a shop. But 800 years ago, the Indian farmer could not hide. The farmers, the builders, the soldiers, they had to work. They had to work for 12 hours every day under the hot sun. How did they do it? History books talk about kings and wars. They do not talk about food and water. But the biggest battle for the Indian farmer was not against an enemy army. It was against the weather. It was a battle against the heat. It was a battle against thirst. Today, we look at their food and we think they were poor. We see simple rice and water. But we are wrong. The Indian farmer had a secret. They had a special way of preparing food. It was very simple but very smart. They did not have modern energy drinks. They did not have vitamins from a bottle. But they had a superfood. This food saved their lives in the hottest weather on earth. Chapter 2. The Problem with the Sun. To understand the food, we must understand the problem. The problem was the human body in tropical weather. From March to June, India is very, very hot. When a farmer works in the field, he sweats. When you sweat, you lose water. But you also lose salt. When your body loses too much salt and water, you get sick. Your muscles hurt. Your brain feels tired. You can faint. This is called heat stroke. In Europe, the problem was the cold winter. People ate fat and meat to stay warm. But in India, you cannot eat heavy meat in the summer. Your stomach cannot handle it. The body needs to be cool. It needs water. There was another problem. The poor farmers mostly ate vegetables and rice. They did not eat much meat. Rice gives you energy. But rice does not have enough vitamins. It is low in iron. It has almost no vitamin B12. If you do not have vitamin B12, you feel weak. If you do not have iron, your blood becomes weak. A weak farmer cannot plow the field. A weak soldier cannot fight. So, the farmers had a big problem. They needed lots of energy to work. But their food, simple rice, did not have enough energy vitamins. And the hot sun was trying to kill them with thirst. They needed a miracle. And they found it in a clay pot. Chapter 3. The Cost of Food. Before we talk about the recipe, we must talk about money. The life of a farmer in the year 1200 was very hard. Whether they lived in the south or the north, they had to pay taxes. The king or the landlord took a lot of their food. Usually, the farmer had to give away half of his crop. Imagine that. You work for 6 months to grow food. And when it is ready, someone takes half of it away. This meant the farmer was always on the edge of hunger. They could not waste anything. Today, if we cook too much rice, we might throw it away. But for a family in medieval India, throwing away food was like throwing away life. But there was a problem. In the hot weather, cooked rice goes bad very fast.